When embarking on your travel adventures, capturing stunning aerial views and creating unforgettable memories become essential elements of the experience. To assist you in this endeavor, we've curated a list of the top 5 travel-friendly foldable drones you absolutely cannot miss. These drones offer incredible features and are designed to be compact and portable, making them perfect companions for your journeys. In this video, we will discuss each drone in some detail, including its costs, advantages, and disadvantages, as well as any necessary licensing or permits you may need to consider. First up is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Imagine soaring through the skies with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a drone that epitomizes convenience and quality. This drone, priced at approximately $759, is lightweight and incredibly compact, making it easy to pack in your travel gear. One of its standout features is the impressive 4K camera equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, ensuring that every moment you capture is vibrant and sharp. With a remarkable battery life of up to 34 minutes, you can enjoy extended flights without worrying about recharging every few minutes. The Mini 3 Pro also boasts advanced obstacle avoidance technology and intelligent flight modes, allowing both novice and experienced pilots to fly confidently. However, please keep in mind that while it's a fantastic investment for quality and performance, it does come at a premium price. Those looking to maximize its capabilities may also need to purchase additional accessories. Next is the DJI Mini 2. If you're on a budget but still want to experience the thrill of aerial photography, the DJI Mini 2 would be an excellent choice. With prices ranging from $299 to $399, this drone is not only easy on the wallet but also incredibly user-friendly. Like its more expensive counterpart, the Mini 2 features a foldable design, making it extremely portable. Its 4K camera ensures high-quality video recordings, and you can expect a flight time of up to 31 minutes. While it doesn't have as many advanced features as the Mini 3 Pro, it remains a reliable option for casual flyers. However, be aware that its smaller sensor may impact low-light performance, and you might find yourself desiring some advanced capabilities as you grow in your drone flying journey. The third drone on our list is the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. For those who crave something unique, the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus is a fantastic alternative priced around $899. This ultra-lightweight drone combines portability with impressive functionality. With a 4K camera powered by a half-inch sensor, the Evo Nano Plus captures stunning images and videos. Its flight time of up to 28 minutes allows you to explore and film without interruptions. The advanced obstacle avoidance system adds an extra layer of security while flying in varied environments. However, while it stands out for its features, the price may be a consideration, and availability can be limited in certain regions. Stepping up its game at our fourth pick is the DJI Air 3. Comes with a price tag of around $999, and it is well worth every penny for those who are serious about their aerial photography. This drone features a stunning 5.4K video recording capability, powered by a 1-inch sensor, enabling you to capture breathtaking footage. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, the DJI Air 3 offers a perfect balance of performance and portability. It excels in advanced obstacle avoidance and tracking features, making it an ideal choice for capturing dynamic shots while on the move. While it is slightly larger and heavier than the Mini series, its capabilities certainly justify the extra weight. And finally, those seeking the ultimate in drone technology can look no further than the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which retails for around $2,199. This drone is a powerhouse, boasting a high-quality 5.1K camera equipped with a 1.33-inch sensor. With an astonishing flight time of up to 43 minutes, you can explore vast landscapes without the constant need to return for a recharge. The Mavic 3 excels in advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent tracking features, making it perfect for capturing professional-grade photography and videography. However, be prepared for a higher investment, and note that it is larger and heavier than the Mini series, which may influence its portability. As you prepare for your flying adventures, It's crucial to understand the licensing and permit requirements associated with drone usage. In the United States, drones weighing between 0.55 and 55 pounds must be registered with the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, if they are used for recreational purposes. If you intend to use the drone for commercial endeavors, obtaining a Part 107 certification from the FAA is a requisite. Additionally, always check the local regulations and guidelines in the areas where you plan to fly your drone, as rules can vary significantly depending on your location. Being informed and compliant will ensure that your drone flying experience remains enjoyable and hassle-free. In conclusion, these 5 travel-friendly foldable drones are designed to enhance your adventures and capture stunning visuals from the skies. Consider your budget, the features that matter most to you, and the regulatory requirements as you choose the perfect drone for your traveling escapades. Thank you for watching, and happy flying! Before you go, check out some of my other videos and remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.